The product assembly document represents a finished product assembly from multiple components within your inventory. In the document, you specify a product you are assembling along with the quantities of components that make it up. The finished assembled product, in its turn, is assigned to an inventory account and attributed to a particular warehouse. The product may be created for sale as a directory from which other items can be assembled, or it may be recognized later on as a fixed asset. So, when a new item is complete, the product assembly document has to be created and posted. The posting affects the transaction journal, debiting the inventory account to which the finished product has been assigned by the total cost of its components and crediting inventory accounts on which the components were recorded by the cost of these items, accounting transactions. The inventory journal is affected as well, since the posting induces inventory transactions influencing inventory quantities and values. As a result, the assembled item is allocated to the selected warehouse and its components are written off. Components are taken from the same warehouse to which the assembled item is to be allocated. If the required components are not available in the specified warehouse, you have to transfer them to the warehouse and create a warehouse movement document representing this transfer. If multiple warehouses are not allowed in the system, the multiple warehouses option is turned off in My Company settings. The assembled item is assigned to the default warehouse selected in My Company settings, and its components are written off from the same default warehouse. You can use reserved or unavailable items as components of the products to be assembled if negative balances or the sale of reserved items is allowed in the system. Select the item you want to assemble from the list of items added to the system. Specify the inventory information for the item to be assembled, unit of measurement, warehouse, warehouse section, and quantity. Now, add the components that make up the item and enter the data about them. Once you are done, click Save.